I'm going to explain about static storage class in C programming. In last video, I started storage classes concept in C programming. I explained about auto storage class. Generally, what is the importance of the storage classes? Storage classes which are used to tell the what? Storage location of the variable, then scope of the variable and visibility of the variable and what is the initial value of the variable. Okay, then that concept is called as the storage classes. Then what is the visibility, what is the scope, what is the initial value, what is the storage location, okay, we will discuss. Then yesterday I explained the concept is called auto storage class because auto means whenever the local variable auto variable is nothing but a local variable. When the variable is declared within the block, the scope of the variable is within the block only, the visibility of that variable is within the block. When the control comes out of the block, the lifetime of the variable is ended. Okay, whether you are declare the local variable by using the auto keyword or not, by default it is a auto variable. Okay, the scope and lifetime of a variable is within the block. But today, what is the importance of a static variable? The static storage class means it is also called as the variable is declared as a static. Those variables are called as the static variable, isn't it? Yeah. Then store a static storage class in C programming. Yeah. How does what is the important? What are the importances of a storage static variable in C? First, static variable is declared by using the keyword static. The static is a keyword. Okay, keyword means it has some predefined meaning. It can't be used for other purposes. Okay, the static is the keyword. Here, because I will tell you after that how it can be declared by using the syntax, by using the static keyword. Yeah, this is very important. This point is very important. The value of the static variable persists until end of the program. Whenever the value is assigned to the static variable, that value should be persist between the function calls. One function, because what is the meaning of the statement? If one function call can changes the value of the static variable, that can be reflected to the another function call. Okay, I will explain with help of the example. That value should be end of the. In case of local variable, what is the value of that variable within the block? When if the control comes out of the block, then which goes out of the scope. But here the static variable value should be end of the program. The static can be declared as a local or global. Static local variable, static global variable. Okay. Yeah, static local variable are visible only to the function or the block in which they are because it is visible to the only within the block. But lifetime of the variable is till end of the program. That static local variable is visible within the block, but lifetime is different. Yeah, till end of the program. If it is a global or local, it is end of the program. Yeah, I will tell you with help, don't confuse. In which they are defined. Okay. The visibility of the static. Yeah, I written two times. Yeah. Static global variable is limited to the file because file means program. Okay, enter the program in which it has the static variable. It has, if the static variable is declared within the block, the visibility of the static variable is within the block. The visibility of the static global variable is within the file. Okay, limited to the file means limited to the program. Okay, because the program may contain n number of files, isn't it? Limited to the file in which it has declared. I will tell you with help of the example. The final statement is that the initial value of the static variable is 0 by default. But here, if it does not assign the value to the static variable, by default, the compiler takes 0 in case of the integer. In case of float, 0.0. In case of string, it will take null value. Null value. But in case of what is the default value of the auto variable is garbage. But here 0. That is the difference. It will ask at the time of enter. It is very, very important. The storage classes concept is very important in case of C. Okay, the default value of the auto variable is garbage. The default value of static variable is 0 in case of integer. In case of string, null. Yeah. We have important things, scope, because it is a local or global. If it is a static local variable, the scope of the local variable is within the block. It is a global, it is entirely till end of the program, because the visibility is associated with the scope. The visibility is associated with the scope. If it is local, it is visibility is within the block. It is a global, visibility is till end of the program. What is the initial value? Already I discussed it in previous statement. The initial value should be 0. What is the storage? Where the static variable is stored? RAM. Because auto variable is also stored in the RAM. But the static variable is also stored in the RAM only. Okay. And this is scope in visibility initial value of the static variable. Yeah, you come to the syntax, because the static variable is declared by using the keyword static. How it is possible? Then you look at the syntax. This is keyword. Static is a keyword. This is called as the return type or data type. This is called as the variable name equal to installation. Okay, installation is the option to the user or programmer, because it does not do any initialization. By default, the compiler assign 0 to the static variable. So for example, as for that syntax, I will write the example static int x, then followed by the semicolon. Here for this example, I did not assign any value to the static variable. Hope it is clear. Are you listening? Yeah. The static, the return type, return type is integer. The static is keyword. The variable name is x. I did not do any initialization over here, because what is the value of the x? By default, x value becomes 0. But if you call first time, the x value becomes 0, because the statement will be executed only once when you call first time, because the memory will be allocated only once. How it is possible? I will tell you with help of the example. Here, if does not assign any value to the variable x, then that value should be 0. If you want to assign, for example, static int x should be 10, because you done the installation to the static variable, because at the time the default value should not be taken by the compiler. When it will be taken, the default value does not assign any value to the static variable, that value should be 0. Here the static value should be assigned with value 10. At that time the compiler should not take default value. What is the value of x is now? 10. So this is overview of the static variable in C programming. Then I will explain you with help of the example. Look at here, example. void main wait, I will write function, after that I will write the main. Then void, then display, then int x value should be, or what is called, then static int y should be 5, then printf then x equal to percentage d, then y, I will write in different statement, then x printf y semicolon, here x plus plus y plus plus. Please listen carefully. Here void main int I for I equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, then display. Instead of writing display, I am using the for loop. It is open bracket and close bracket is optional to you, because it has only for loop statement is having only one statement. There is no need to use open bracket and close bracket. Do you know it? Yeah, it is optional. Anyway, I am using over here. Then main end main. Here end display. For your understanding purpose, I am writing the comments. Yeah. Please listen very carefully. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you can't understand the static variable concept. Yeah. X, it is because by default it is a auto. Because it is a static, it is does not declare as it is not a static variable, it is auto variable, it is a static variable. Okay, it is assigned, the x variable is assigned with the value 10, the y variable is assigned with 5. The x value 10, then y value should be what is called 5. Yeah. Listen, because you know that the execution of the program will be, this is called as the static variable. This is called as auto variable. Yeah, because by default, if you does not use any auto to this variable declaration, by default it is a auto variable or automatic variable. Because this variable can be declared as a static, this variable is belongs to the what? Static variable. That variable is called as the start. Yeah, the execution of the program will be start from the main int I, then I value is assigned with 0, then 0 less than 3 condition becomes true, then it will comes to the body of the loop. Inside the loop, this is called as a function call. Display. Display, you are calling the display method without any arguments, because here also without having any arguments. Here the control will comes to here. When you calling that function, the control will comes to here, because it is nothing but a local. Both are static local. Is static local variable. It is local variable. Yeah. But 10 is assigned to the variable x. Then here the 5 is assigned to the static variable. Yeah, good. Then after that, then I will write here output of this program is, yeah, then x equal to x. What is the x value? 10 will be displayed. Then y equal to y. What is the static variable y? Then y equal to 5 will be displayed. Then after that, x is incremented by 1. Then x value becomes 11. Then y is also incremented by 1. I value becomes what? 6. Because it is initially 10. It has incremented by 1. The x value becomes 11. The y value, initially the y value becomes 5. Y plus plus means y has incremented by 1. Then the function has ended. Once the function ends, then control, here, look at here. Okay. Yeah, function ends, again the control will come back to here. After execute, there are no more statement after the display method. Then I value is incremented by 1. Now I value becomes what? 1. Because I value 0 previously, it is incremented by 1. I value becomes 1. Because 1 less than 3, again the display method will be called by the compiler. Then again it comes to here. Again, x value is what? X value is what? Again x into x value is declared, but x value again reset to 0. Because it is when the local variable, what is the scope and visibility of the local variable? When function ends, when control comes back to the out of the block or function, the memory will be, whatever the memory is allocated to the auto variable, that memory will be deallocated. Means the scope of the variable is only within the block. When control comes out of the block, what happens? It has deleted from the memory. It has deleted from the memory, because if it is auto variable, again value, x value should be 10. The next, the control will come to, because the statement should not be executed again. If you call n number of times, it is executed only once. At that time, the x value is what? 6 only. Then printf, what is the x value again? Here, second function call, x value is 10. What is the y value is? What is the y value? Y value becomes 6. Again, x has incremented by 1, 11, y has incremented by 7. Then again, once function ends, yeah, function, whenever the control comes out of this block, again there is no memory to the variable x. It has deleted from the memory. Yeah. Once again the comes to, again the I value is incremented by 1, I value becomes 2, then 2 less than 3, condition returns true, again display method will be called, again x value is reset to 10. Then again this statement may not be executed by the compiler. Then printf x, the third function call, what is the x value? 10. Then what is the y value? It will be taken from the memory, because the static memory, whenever variable, static local variable, the visibility is till end of the program. Okay. Then what is the y value is 7. Again the control will comes to here, the I value is incremented by 1, I value becomes 3, 3 by 3, 3 less than 3, condition becomes false, then which comes out of the loop, there are no more statement after the loop, the program will terminates. Did you observe one thing? the x value remains always 10, 10, 10. If I call 3 times, what the x value becomes? Because x value is auto variable, local variable. Then it is static variable. Then static variable y equal to 5, y equal to 6, y equal to 7. Because even if you are executed, starting the value of the static variable persists until end of the program. This is very important. I told you before start this concept, isn't it? Because there is a difference between auto variable and static variable. For each function call, the memory will be allocated to this auto variable, because when control comes out of the block, the auto variable goes out of the scope. Okay, that variable has deleted from the memory when control comes out of the block. In case of static variable, whenever the control comes out of the block, the value remains same in the memory. The value of the static variable is safe in the memory, because in the first function call, what is the value? 5. For second function call, what is the static variable? 6. In third function call, y. Why are you using the for loop? Instead of writing the display, that's why I use the for loop. Or else you can write like this also. There is no problem. If you confusing with the for loop, then you can able to write display 3 times. Display. Or else you can write like this. For the first display function, this is the result. The second display function, this is the result. For third display function, this is the result. X value is same for all function calls, but y value changed. Here, whatever the value will be changed for the first function call, that will be reflected to the second function call. Whatever the value I changed in the second function call, that will be reflected to the third function. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. It is n number of times you can call the function, depends on your application. Okay, this simple program about the what is called static variable. Did you observe that what is the difference between auto local variable? The auto variable is nothing but a local. What is the difference between local variable and static variable? Here the static variable value should be persist till end of the program. When program terminates, then only the memory will be deleted for the static variable. The static variable has deleted from the memory when program ends. In case of auto variable, when block terminates, it has deleted from the memory. In case of this one, when program ends, the static variable value has deleted from the memory. That is the difference between normal local variable or else static local variable. Clear this concept? Either static can be declared as global also, there is no problem. Okay. If you want to declare here, it is a global. It can be accessed by all the functions of the program. Here, whenever it is declared before the main function, static int, suppose z. Another point I want to tell you here. Here, in case of the auto variable as initialized with the 10, static variable as initialized with what? It does not initialize in any value. When you first time, if you call first time, then control will comes to here. The x value becomes 10. Then y is what? What is the default value of y? Because it does not initialize by the user, the static variable value should be 0. Then what is the answer? Then x value, here 0, the y value is what? 0 will be displayed, 1 will be displayed, then 2 will be displayed. Because 0, then after that, for second function call, again x value is incremented by 1, then y should be 11. Again, for second function call, then x should be again 10, y is what? 1 only, not 0. For the first function call only, the y should be initialized to 0. For the second function call, it does not execute this statement by the compiler. Then go to here, what is the x value? Again 10, y value is what? 1. Okay, again x value is incremented by 1, y value is incremented by 2, like that. This is another example about the static variable in C. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubt regarding the static variable or storage classes, post your query in the comment box window. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.